There's no time for mistakes. Let's act intelligently, friends. I will help you. My 10 years of experience gives me the opportunity to say and show important things. This is the FixProfit channel. Take my reliable robot assistant, which scans the market, gives detailed reports and recommendations. You can get the robot for free and forever within a month, the link in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager, he will tell you everything. And right now I want to make a few deals with its help. I will receive forecasts for the 5-minute time frame and, guided by them, enter 2-minute trades. I have chosen the euro-dollar currency pair. Active buy is a recommendation from the neural network for a 5-minute expiration time. 6 indicators show an increase in buying potential. I think it is also relevant for the 2-minute time frame, because the volumes, judging by the histogram, are already starting to grow. The bulls are gaining momentum. Folks, don't miss the new useful content that will help you get pumped up. Click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and comment. I get motivated to keep working for you when I see feedback. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's get one thing straight. If you're losing right now, that's not a verdict. That's the process. Losing trades don't define your future, they define your foundation. This isn't a lottery. It's not a shortcut. It's a profession. And in any real profession, results come to those who work when it's hard, not just when it's exciting. Every solid system starts with one word: protection. If you're risking more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade, you're not managing risk. You're gambling. You can't build consistency without preservation. You don't get longevity without discipline. Even the best strategy fails if your risk control is reckless. Protect your capital. It's your fuel. Without it, you're stuck on the runway watching others fly. Rocky Balboa wasn't the best boxer. He was the one who stood back up. Over and over again. Batman didn't become the world's greatest detective overnight. He trained in the shadows, got broken, rebuilt, and adapted. You're in that arc, the middle of your movie, not the end. That's why I created a smart assistant, an AI-powered co-pilot that tracks price action, monitors indicators, and helps filter the noise. It doesn't promise miracles, it provides clarity, and clarity is everything in a fog of candles and wicks. Right now, it's completely free. In a month, it won't be. So if you're thinking long-term, now's the time to act. Links in the description. Let's talk scale. On a $100 account, your $1 trades give you 80 cents per win. That's fine when you're starting out. But if you've got $1,000 and you're trading $10 per position, your wins bring in $8 each. That's $80 from 10 wins. Multiply that by 20 trading days a month, and you start to see the math of freedom. Grow your capital. Scale responsibly. Trade smart. I am sharing my experience. This is not financial advice. I am showing how I do it. This video is for educational purposes only. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. In the meantime, you see the second trade on the screen. I continue to do quality and thoughtful work. The bot helps me see patterns. The bulls continue to dominate. Friends, we help with training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. By the way, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. I know people who quit restaurant jobs, delivery shifts, retail, and even coding gigs to pursue trading full-time. They didn't win because of luck. They won because of systems, because of structure, because of tracking every mistake until it didn't repeat. This path isn't for the impulsive. It's for the intentional. Trading is a risk. So is building a business. So is investing in real estate. So is betting on yourself. But the riskiest thing you can do is stay where you are out of fear. Risk is a tool. Use it. Don't fear it. Don't worship it. Respect it. Track your trades. Log your mindset. Be brutally honest about your emotions. Patterns live inside the data. You can't see them if you're winging it. Stop relying on one magic indicator. Build confluence. Use trend lines. Look for key zones. See the bigger picture before you zoom into the micro noise. And most importantly, know why you're in a trade before you ever click enter. Tell me in the comments, how do you manage your entries? What do you use to confirm your signals? What's your biggest lesson from last month? Let's create a space where traders learn from each other instead of pretending they never lose. And if this resonated, like the video, share it with your trading crew, and save it for when the losses start to mess with your head. Because they will, but if you're here, so will the wins. And if you're thinking really long-term, consider this. Climate change is no longer just an environmental issue. It's an economic event. Crop failures shift commodity prices. Natural disasters spike volatility. Green energy policies impact oil and forex pairs. As the climate shifts, so does capital flow. And those who can read those long-term signs will have a strategic edge. You're not just reading charts, you're reading the world. Learn to think on that scale, and your trades will follow. This isn't motivation. This is strategy. Stay in the game. Show up every day. Take losses like lessons. Turn setbacks into setups. You've got time. You've got tools. You've got everything you need, except excuses. Let's build. Let's grow. Let's trade like we mean it. Meanwhile, I made another decisive move after a good 3 trades. I got the final prediction from the bot, active buy. This is the data for the 5-minute time frame, 7 green indicators. The data update frequency in the robot is 1 minute. I think that the buyers will not retreat and the trend will go smoothly upwards within the sideways movement. I want to emphasize once again, these are my personal results. Your results may differ, they depend on many factors. But I am helping you to understand these factors. Meanwhile, I made another decisive move after a good 3 trades. I got the final prediction from the bot, active buy. This is the data for the 5-minute time frame, 7 green indicators. The data update frequency in the robot is 1 minute. I think that the buyers will not retreat and the trend will go smoothly upwards within the sideways movement. I want to emphasize once again, these are my personal results. Your results may differ, they depend on many factors. But I am helping you to understand these factors. Here's the truth no one wants to tell you. Mastery isn't glamorous. It's quiet, repetitive, almost invisible. It happens when no one's watching, when you're reviewing a trade you lost 3 days ago, asking yourself not what went wrong, but how you'll avoid it next time. The difference between a trader who fails and one who thrives isn't a new strategy. It's this: who can come back after 50 losses and still make the 51st trade with precision? Who can take emotion out of the equation and treat this game like a science, not a slot machine? Think about athletes. Kobe Bryant shot in the gym before sunrise. Tom Brady watched hours of game tape most people would sleep through. Not because it was fun, because it worked. In the meantime, I've completed my work. The results are in front of you. Subscribe, more to come.